Hey there, foodies. James here from Blogging Good Food. Today, we are diving into a topic that's not just tasty but also super good for you tomato soup. Ever wondered why a warm bowl of tomato soup feels like a hug for your taste buds? Stick around because we are about to explore the incredible nutritional benefits that come with this classic comfort food. The immunity booster. First up, let's talk about its immune boosting superpowers. Tomatoes are loaded with antioxidants like vitamin C, which can help strengthen your immune system. Heart Health Hero. Tomato soup is a heart health delight. Thanks to lycopene in tomatoes, it promotes good heart health. Plus, the olive oil and celery add that extra cardiovascular kick. Low calorie comfort. Craving comfort without the guilt, tomato soup is the answer. It's low in calories but high in flavor, making it the perfect choice for those cozy evenings. Skin Glow Elixir. Want that natural glow? Tomatoes contain antioxidants that contribute to healthy skin. Include tomato soup in your diet for that radiant complexion. Bone health boost. Now, let's talk about the often overlooked benefit bone health. Tomato soup is rich in essential nutrients like vitamin K and calcium, thanks to ingredients like onions and carrots. These elements contribute to maintaining strong and healthy bones. Stress busting euphoria. Need a break from the hustle and bustle? Tomato soup is not just a treat for your taste buds, it's also a stress busting euphoria. The warmth and comforting aroma can help relax your mind, making it the ultimate soul soothing experience. So, there you have it, folks. Tomato soup is not just a delicious meal, it's a nutritional powerhouse. Whether you are sipping it on a chilly day or enjoying it with a grilled cheese sandwich, you are treating your body right. Thanks for joining me on this flavorful journey. If you found this video saucy and informative, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tasty content, and let me know in the comments your favorite way to enjoy soup.